Hey guys, so we get a lot of questions and curiosities about battery life. Let's go through some of the most common ones to see if we can offer some insight and perhaps even some tips. One question we hear all the time, my battery doesn't last as long as it used to. Is something wrong? Is something wrong? Very likely not. The reason I say that, all Cardo units use lithium batteries, and those types of batteries slowly lose capacity over time. Is it normal? Yeah. Is it expected? Yeah. Is it a bummer? Yeah. But it's very similar to what we all experience with our cell phones, with our laptops. So a slow, gradual depreciation in battery capacity over time would be considered totally normal. Another common question, why does my battery life change from ride to ride? Now, battery life does depend on how you're using the unit. Volume, temperature, how much time you spend on the intercom, all of these play a role. So if you're going down, you've got the music cranked, you've got a busy DMC group, maybe you've got some parallel audio streaming going on, that's squeezing the battery, right? It's working harder, and for that charge cycle, you're probably going to experience a shorter overall time from full to needing to be charged, versus if you were just kind of humming along, listening to some music at a medium volume. So how you're using the unit will play a role. Speaking of which, I just had to plug in my laptop. That's funny. Okay, next question. I don't use my Cardo all the time. Does that matter? Yes, it does. Because even when the unit is turned off, it does slowly discharge over time, right? So if you put it up for the winter, you're not going to see it again for 6 months. That's not a good thing. You want to try to give it a charge about every 3 months just to check in on it, and that will help to keep the battery healthy overall. Finally, people ask, what should I keep in mind for everyday use? Biggest tip, keep it simple, right? Try to avoid fully draining the battery, store it at a comfortable temperature, keep the charging port clean, keep your Cardo Connect app and the unit itself up to date firmware-wise. All of these habits can make a pretty noticeable difference over time. The main thing to remember with lithium batteries is they don't have like a fixed lifespan. How long your battery is going to last will come down to how you charge it, how you store it, and how you use it. Little red light on this one went out at some point during this, so that's charged.